Guess what? True Botanicals has a new product, Chabula Active Serum, and it's amazing.
I've gone through so many bottles already. It's completely changed my skin.
Chabula is a breakthrough anti-aging ingredient because it helps to deliver dramatic results on 5 signs of aging. And Chabula Serum is clinically proven to outperform 2 leading skincare serums.
My friends are like, what have you gotten done? And I'm like, I haven't gotten anything done.
My skin instantly just looked a lot better.
One of the reasons I love True Botanicals is because their ingredients are always really innovative, as well as being sustainably harvested and made safe certified.
Now is the perfect time to try our best-selling Chabula Serum and save more than $100 because you'll receive 2 additional products for free. That's a 60% savings off your first order of this complete luxurious skincare routine. Available now for a limited time offer.
I'm obsessed with it. I don't want it to be a secret. I want everybody to know about it. Chabula Active Serum. It's good stuff.